How you doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki Z900 Performance. Well, what a beautiful bike this one is. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's only done 3,035 miles, and like I said, it is a performance, so you do get that really nice sounding carbon Akrapovic exhaust. This one also comes with the seat cowl. It's got the tail tidy, you've got some engine and frame protection, little fly screen, it's got a radiator guard, you've got some nice little billet parts, so like billet brake reservoir there, oil filler cap, rear brake reservoir, little paddock stand bobbins as well. This model, you get a digital display, you get your gear indicator, fuel gauge, and it is an ABS model as well. They're really popular with these. This one is the full power model as well, and they're fantastic to ride. They're a really good seller for us, so if you do want it, be super quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Thank you.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.